Good evening. This is my presentation about Mark Sundberg. So, just a quick introduction about Sundberg. He has a PhD in BCBAD. He received his doctorate degree at Western Michigan University in Applied Behavior Analysis. He is still alive and is actively a speaker on workshops and conference presentations every year nationally and internationally. So Sundberg is the author of VB-MAP, or stands for Verbal Behavior Milestones Assessment and Placement Program. And he is the co-author of the original ABLS, ABLLS, which stands for Assessment of Basic Language and Learning Skills. And also the book of Teaching Language to Children with Autism or other developmental disabilities. So here is a picture of Mark Sundberg. That's him. I don't know how old he is right now, but that's him. And here is the picture of the VB-MAP book. And this is used in the applied behavior analysis field. I've seen my BCBAs or supervisors use this for for our children as an assessment. So here is the example of what's inside, a co-example. Here's the milestone assessment. I'm sorry if it's cut off, but there's milestones of level 1, 2, 3, and then here's a tracking sheet for that. And here is the book of ABLS, or the cover page of ABLS. But just a quick overview of the echoic samples. This is what I use to some of my kids, with my kiddos that I work with, by doing echoics and asking them, or saying the SD with say ah or say boo, and they have to echo what I'm saying. So that's that. Overview of pictures and his work. So, speaking of his work, VB-MAP is mostly used in or for children with autism and other individuals with developmental and language developmental and language delays. It is an assessment tool, curriculum, guide, and skill tracking system, and it's based on B.F. Skinner analysis of verbal behavior. So I want to focus more on VB-MAP because this is one of his popular work. So his primary focus is an intervention program of effective skills for children with autism and other language delays. And VB-MAP is known in the ABA field, as I said earlier, which is an assessment tool, curriculum guide, and skill tracking system for language. There are 5 components of VB-MAP which provide a baseline level of performance. The first component is the milestone assessment, and then the second is the barriers assessment, and the third is the transition assessment, and then fourth is the task analysis and skill tracking, as I showed you pictures of that earlier. And the fifth and last is the placement and IEP goals. So Sundberg expanded on the work of B.F. Skinner's verbal analysis. If I were to ask questions about his work, these are the questions. Number 1, what made you interested in his background of VB-MAP? What are the future directions for your work or findings? How else would you like to expand in use of VB-MAP? Have you encountered challenges or barriers that assessors might encounter? And how can you improve on that? And also in that fifth question, how can you improve more so in VB-MAP as well, of the assessments and the tracking skills and the curriculum guides? And for the importance of Mark Sundberg in the ABA field, he provides information that will be used in the development of child's treatment program, and he established developmental milestones and research from the field. Thanks to Sundberg, through the VB-MAP and ABLES, we are able to assess and improve the lives of children or individuals with autism and other language delays. I hope you enjoyed my presentation and got a lot from it, because Mark Sundberg is really has brought such a great impact in the ABA field. Thank you.